Welcome back dear viewers. Now I am going to demonstrate study of effect of open and short circuit in simple circuits. So as mentioned in the heading, I have referred to a very simple circuit here. I just have a battery source, two resistors R1 and R2, two switches SW1 and SW2, an emitter and a voltmeter to measure current and voltage. So this VRPS, that is voltage regulated power supply, I will be setting it to 15 volts and I will keep these resistors to 50 ohm each. The tabular column is already framed here. I already noted down the values. So let me verify this with the output. So let me start with the experiment. First I will start with the battery source. So under the sources, go for DC voltage source. Place the battery here. Now it is showing you 5 volts, but I need 15 volts. So click over it, come to the settings, change the DC magnitude from 5 to 15 volts. Then I need to place the resistor. So because I will be placing the meters at the end, so let me place the resistor. For this, come to the passive option, click on the resistor, place it on the screen. So now it is showing R1 as 1 kilo ohm, but I need it as 50 ohms. So just click on the setting, change 1k to 50 ohms. So you have the 50 ohm resistor, you have 15 volt source. Now I'll be taking the copy of resistor R1, I'll be placing it here. Then I will use the rotate option to make it vertical. So I'll be placing it here. Then I need the two SPST switches. So just come to the switches, click on SPST, place it here. I must turn it horizontal, so use the horizontal to vertical. So use this option. Then take a copy of this and place it parallel to the R2. So I placed all the components. Now let me do the wiring. So from voltage source to the R1, from R1 to the switch S1, from S1 to R2, from R2 back to the supply, and this is connected parallel to R2. Then now I must place the emitter. So click on analysis and annotation, you will get current. So place it over here, and I need an voltmeter. So click on voltage, positive terminal at this point and negative terminal across here. Then it is better to connect a ground here. So schematic connections, ground, just connect this ground at this point. Even if you don't connect, you get the output. So there are three conditions: normal condition, short circuit and open circuit. So I'll be setting this to DC OP, DC operating point. Then switch SW1 should be in closed condition and switch SW2 should be in open condition. So let me close this switch. So press on this, use the toggle option. Now you can see S1 is closed and SW2 is open. Now you can run the simulation. You can see the emitter is reading 150 milliamperes, which means 0.15 amperes. That's what I've written here. And voltmeter reads 7.5 volts. So I have verified the condition for normal. Then next is short circuit condition. For this, both the switches should be in closed position. So let me click on SW2 and press on toggle. So now both the switches are closed. Again you have to run the simulation. So you can see the ammeter reads 300 milliamperes, means 0.3 amperes, and voltmeter is reading 60 microvolts, means 0.0006 volts, means it is almost zero. So I have mentioned it as zero. Then finally the third condition is I must keep both the switches in open condition. So let me press on this. I opened it. Let me click on S2 and press on toggle. So both switches are open now. Again it is in DC OP. You can run the simulation. So you are getting 150 nano amperes, means very less value, 0.0000015, which is equal to 0. So I have written it as 0, and voltage is 15 volts. So what I can conclude here is, in short circuit the voltage is 0 across the resistor, and in open circuit condition the current is 0. So this is what I have verified in this experiment. Thank you for watching.